Hi, my name is Mel. Come along with me as I explore, travel, adventure, and create photography. This is MinuteTour, the home for my adventure stories. We went on a hike in early May to the Silver Lake Trail. I was hoping for a hike like this. Mountains starting to green, boardwalk, spring flowers, wildlife, and ducks swimming in a beautiful lake. But instead, we had this, a winter wonderland. We were not expecting this. I guess we were here too early because everywhere was still thick snow and the lake is frozen over. But since we were already there, we decided to still go for a hike and enjoy this great and amazing mountain view. Silver Lake is less than a mile long and is easily accessible in Big Cottonwood Canyon. This is a wonderful place in the summer to bring your little ones with easy walkways. Silver Lake Trail is the easiest hike at the Brighton area, but it's also the prettiest nature walk you've ever been on. winter, Brighton Ski Resort turns into an amazing downhill skiing and snowboarding paradise. During the summer, there are a lot of trails you can hike like Lake Mary and Twin Lakes. We had fun time playing and walking across the frozen lake. It's nice just to be outside in the mountains. Just be careful because you might sink into the snow. Oops, just like this. And this. And this. Yeah, and this. When I am close to nature, I feel connected to the natural world. I feel more alive. During quiet moments in nature, it reminds me to appreciate more God's creation and that life is so beautiful and precious. Silver Lake is another destination that I would add to your list, and we will definitely be back here in summer. Enjoy your day in the mountains. Happy trails! Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to watch more videos, just search MinuteTour. Remember, no space. And see you in the next adventure. Bye!